Morning, y'all. It's Vlogmas day 7. Hold on. What y'all not about to do is talk about my head. Yes, I'm wearing my daughter's bonnet. And what about it? Speaking of my daughter, y'all, I only got some groceries. I cleaned my fridge out. I'm gonna show y'all what I got. So let me get up and get myself together and get this day started. Let's go. Tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares, 'cause I can't give it all away if he won't be here next year. Feeling crazy. How in the world did I let myself run out of my face wipes? I mean, I do not like to wash my face with washcloths. Like, I got very sensitive skin. Of course, you wash them, but I don't know how I let myself run out. But anyways, and this head just be winging it. Throw a little water on it, check it out, brush it back up. She's back. Slip these edges down. I use it every few days. I've been waiting on these holiday cereal to come out because y'all know how I am at the holidays. I like everything Christmassy. Like, if it's Christmassy, I want it. I never had these. I hope they're good. Aldi grocery haul set. The only thing I think that's not showing is I got 2 bags of the contenders, but we're about to eat one of them. A lot of the stuff I got, I'm starting a new meal plan for my gym. I needed some veggies, spinach and stuff, because I'm going to be making some high protein breakfast wraps, breakfast bakes, and different things, chicken wraps. So after I bought these groceries, I'm not planning on buying anything else. Like, I'm saying, like, no fast food, because I had stuff here. Like, I already had salmon, I already had shrimp. I need to stop buying bacon, but we're working on it. That's my haul. I'm hitting the gym tomorrow. I was going to my spin class this morning, but I woke up with a migraine and I had to cancel my booking. But I'm gonna try again. I gotta see when the next time. I know the next time they offer one, I can't go because it's gonna be the time that they have practice. But I gotta try to find another class. So, anyways, let's get these groceries put up and eat. Yeah, I come out of that shirt. It's a little toasty in here, but yeah, I got all of that at Aldi for less than $150. So I cleaned out the fridge and threw away all the old stuff, and then I packed up all the new stuff. So this is what it's looking like now. I'm pretty sure I put that in wrong because I can't get the bottom drawer to go all the way in. But this is what the top shelf is looking like. We got waters, some frappuccinos, protein drinks. This top drawer is just like the meats and extra stuff like dips, biscuits and stuff. My supplements and just some random stuff on the shelves. Second one, I had to take my egg roller, the egg dispenser out for now because my fridge keeps freezing everything. It keeps resetting itself. and it's just wasting my eggs, and I'm not gonna be wasting my eggs. So I just put some random stuff in these because I'm not using in my egg roller. I just washed it and put it away until I get my fridge fixed. And then the drinks and condiments and stuff on this bottom, what do you call this? The Lazy Susan. Like, I had completely stopped buying produce and fresh fruit and veggies and stuff for a while because it keeps going to waste because it keeps freezing. So it told me to put it on the middle shelf and like put it either in double plastic containers, oh hush, or either put it in the fresh drawer, but the fresh drawer hadn't been working. So I think today I'm gonna find some of my Tupperware and double package it up and put it on this middle shelf because I hate to not be able to buy it, but I hate to keep wasting it too. Down here we got can't close it all the way because I think I put this one back in wrong.